Hello and welcome to the final news from Carrington Financial Services for 2016. As it's getting close to Christmas, we thought we'd give you a little bit of an update. So, Bryan, what's happening in the world of Centrelink at the 1st of January?
Okay, so just to recap the Centrelink asset test changes coming into effect on the 1st of January. If you're currently in receipt of an age pension or a disability pension and you're being paid under the income test, there'll be no changes. If you're being paid under the asset test, then your assessable assets are above about 460,000, you will be negatively impacted. In other words, you'll get less money. If your assets are currently below 296,500, you'll be in receipt of a full pension and that won't change. If your assessable assets are between 296,500 and 460,000, you will possibly get a higher payment. We're happy to talk you through those asset and income details and update those with Centrelink at any time if you'd just like to give Jason, Heather or myself a call at the office.
Thank you, Bryan. Now, Jason, tell us about your trip to the US.
Yeah, very interesting. Just came back from the US, was there the week after the election, and certainly going over, you would have thought that through the media and what have you, that there were going to be riots with obviously Trump getting in. Certainly the feeling on the ground is a little bit different. Most, and when I say most, particularly in the middle of America, are quite comfortable that Trump is in. And as we've seen recently, markets actually like a Trump government, believe it or not. Big spend in terms of infrastructure, plus also potential tax concessions where companies who are previously located outside the US will relocate back into US. So generally for the US economy, could be quite strong. Interesting to see what happens between, say, the US and China from a relations trade perspective. We in Australia might be benefit from that. Interesting, they obviously raised their interest rates yesterday, so it'll be fascinating to see what that has on markets over the coming weeks. But we generally think that that's a good thing that the US increase interest rates. Yeah, so the US is actually looking pretty good.
Excellent. Well, thank you to everyone. We just wanted to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a very safe. Be safe over the new year. We want to thank you from all at Carrington Financial Services for your support over the last year, and we look forward to seeing you in the new year. If you have any emergency that you do need to contact us over the Christmas break, please ring our office number on 8272 6444. We will be monitoring the phones just in case. Thank you. We wish you a wonderful time. Thank you. Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.